Alright, let's take a look at factoring a quadratic expression in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And before I actually factor this expression, you can notice here that a is -2, b here is 16, and c here is -24. If we recall that a and b are our coefficients, and c here is a constant. Now you can notice here that all of these values are basically multiples of 2. So what I want to do here, before I actually kind of factor this, I'm just going to factor out a 2, just to make my life a lot easier. So if I'm going to just factor out -2 because we have a -2 in front. So I'm going to factor out -2, and I'm just going to factor out all of these expressions in this trinomial. So you have x squared minus 8x plus 12. Whoops. At this point, what you can do here is work with this trinomial. This is a lot easier. It's the same thing. A here in this trinomial is 1, B in this trinomial is -8, and C in this trinomial is 12, right? So just to recall what our rules of factoring is, we want two numbers that multiply to AC, which is 12, that add up to -8, right? Which add up to B. So two numbers that add up to -8 that multiply to positive 12, you could do -6 and -2, right? So I'm going to replace my middle term, which is -8x, excuse me, with these two coefficients. So we get -6x minus 2x. Okay, so I'm going to replace that back into the expression. You get -2 x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Okay, then I want to factor the first two terms and the last two terms. So we get -2 x minus 6 minus 2 x minus 6. So once we can notice that the two factors are the same, we know we're doing it right, and we can factor by grouping. So we get -2 x minus 2 times x minus 6. And this is our fully factored expression.